Hi guys, today I'm here with our special street food, that is chole bhature along with Amritsari chole. So let's prepare Amritsari chole first. This preparation is not at all for the tea with chole bhature. This is for the chole. This is white chana and I have taken around 1.5 cup of pre-soaked chana, and these are 2 big elaichis, that is cardamom, bay leaves, 4 to 5 cloves, and next I'll put cinnamon powder. This gives better flavor than your cinnamon stick. And here goes my boiled tea water. You have to take that much of water so that your entire chana, entire chole get dipped. Here is the beautiful color which you are going to get. This is baking soda, around 1/4 tablespoon I have put in it, and these chanas were soaked for about 8 hours priorly. To make its mixture, to make its gravy, I have taken sarso oil, that is mustard oil, and hing in it when it is heated up along with zeera. Here goes ginger grated with green chilies. You can go for even red chilies also, which are dried. This mustard oil gives very nice flavor to your Amritsari chole, so go for it. Once you see that this ginger is getting brown in color, put tomatoes in it. I have taken 2 big size tomatoes in it. This recipe is without onion and garlic, so you can enjoy it in the time of your fasting season also. Once you feel that these tomatoes are getting mushy, put kasuri methi into it. Around 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of kasuri methi I have taken. Cook it a bit on a high flame, and after that you have to put anar dana. If your chole masale, if your chola masala or chana masala does not have anar dana in it, you have to put it separately. I have put 2 tablespoon of chole masala in this, and mine chole masala is already having anar dana, so I'm not putting it separately. Next goes white salt, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder I am taking, and 2 tablespoon of coriander powder and a pinch of turmeric. Put some water, give it a stir, cook these spices, and with 2 whistles my chanas are also done, and I'll pour this chana one by one into it. You can see the beautiful color, beautiful brown color which you see in the market in these chole. This is just because of dry spices you have put and the tea. This is my chole. You can see the color. This is garam masala, around 1 tablespoon garam masala I have put. Give it a stir lightly because our chanas are already in and they can break. Now it's the time for the most important tip. This is aam ka achar, that is mango pickle. Every home has this. I know about it. So you have to make slight pieces of it, and then you have to put around 2 tablespoons. This will give you exactly market kind of flavor, and garnish it with coriander leaf, and this makes your Amritsari market style chole ready. Now our next turn goes for bhatura, but you can see over here my chole are having consistency as you see in the market, and the color is also same. Taste is also very good, so try it. Next goes preparation for bhaturas. These are instant bhaturas, not the fermented one. 2 cups of all-purpose flour goes into it, along with 1 cup of suji. Suji, that is semolina, I have used for making it crispy. This was powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar I have taken. This is curd, around 1 cup of curd I have taken to knead a dough, and if you have sour curd then that goes best in this. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or ghee you can add to it, along with little bit of salt. Now adding little bit of warm water, you have to knead a dough which is soft. Like this you have to knead a dough like this. Now you have to keep it aside for about 2 to 3 hours, and after 2 to 3 hours you again knead it once or twice and then start making bhaturas out of it. Pat some oil on your chakla or on the surface on which you are making these bhaturas and make a chapati kind of thing. No need to apply dry flour over it. Whenever you want to make this chapati, you have to use oil in it. Now in a kadhai, in a pan, I have taken oil and I have to check whether it is fully heated up or not. Drop some kneaded dough into it and you can see then it is fully cooked. Put your bhatura into it and cook it like this. You have to put oil over it like this. And here goes beautiful bhaturas. They are instant bhaturas, not the fermented one, and these also taste very good with your Amritsari chole. Try this recipe at home and satisfy your craving for the street food. Here goes my one bhatura. Likewise you have to do for another. Enjoy this recipe and don't forget to subscribe my channel Cook with Kanika. Do like and comment.